I put the new 4Gs on the Jeep. I trap until the bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my...
It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you should be burning in hell. Turn around, kid, it'd be a crime if I had to go back on the promise that I made for you, so don't step over that line, or else, friend, you're gonna have a bad time. But kids like you don't play by the rules, and guys like me, it ain't easy to be played for fools. So let's go, let the room get chiller. Let's go, dirty brother killer. Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able, cause you figured now that mercy's off the table. I can tell you're getting really sick of trying, but I think you'll just mad you keep dying. You're not gonna win, we'll be here together, fighting in this judgment hall forever. And now you just reset each time I'll beat ya, but I'll always be right back here to meet ya. I know you're made of love. This is where it stops, this is where it ends. If you want to get past me, well, you better try again. But no matter how I stall you, you don't give up your attack. Do you just like the feeling of your sins crawling on your back? Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. You should know by now that mercy's off the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm some pawn. Well, you didn't spare my brother, so get dunked on. I know you made my friends all disappear, but everything they cared about is why I'm here. I am their mercy, I am their vengeance, I am determination. I know you're made of love, but I think I'm stronger than you.
It's been so long since I see my son lost to this monster, to the man behind the slider. It's been so long since I see my son lost to this monster, to the man behind the slider. Hope you guys enjoyed.